Hello everybody, my name is Britton Winterrose, and I am a data scientist with Larkist. Every single day, we all face a similar situation when we go to Twitter. Sometimes, we go to Twitter and we see toxic comments. Other times, we go to Twitter and we just see things that aren't relevant to us in our timelines. Now, there's a couple ways we can deal with this. We can create lists, but it's tedious. Or, we can go through and actually block troll accounts, but that takes a ton of time. And that's where Larkist comes in. Larkist is an app that unlocks the power of Twitter using AI, or artificial intelligence, to essentially block bullies, create incredible lists automagically, and it makes your timeline sync. Helps you to find brand new timelines that will surpass your wildest dreams. Our team is excellent. We have a kind of a ragtag team. We jumped together, but we really co-melded and produced an incredible product. Our team members are Brooks Vineyard, Daniel Starling, Eric Todd, Aaron Meredith, and Rory Hennessy. Those are our full-stack software engineers. Our project manager is Jonathan Jamel Holloway. And then there's myself, Chris Seiler, and Crawford Collins. We're the data scientists on the team. So, let's create some timelines together. Are you ready? First thing we're going to do is we're going to sign in through Twitter OAuth. And because I'm already signed in my Twitter account, it just logs me right in. So let's go take a look at my timeline and see if we can clean it up a little bit. So I'm going to click here, and what's happening right now is that our backend is actually processing thousands of tweets from our timeline, and it's going through each of them to measure the sentiment and see whether they are toxic or not. So you can see here, the first responses here are toxic. So I'm going to go ahead and sort by toxic, and guess what? I can block these people at the click of a button. People you don't know, maybe one of your brothers or your friends is just trolling you, you can ignore them. That's no biggie. So, but Britton, you might say, that's only part of the actual issue. You know, how do I create new content that people will actually like to listen to? Well, let me show you. By clicking our Zen tweet button, you can go through, write a tweet. This is a tweet. Oh no, I posted my tweet and I made spelling errors. Damn you, Twitter. No edit button. Oh wait, don't worry. I can undo send. Just like that, we fixed one of Twitter's biggest issues. Beyond that, you might be saying, well, Britton, you know, how do I use lists effectively? Glad you asked. We actually have a list explorer that lets you find and browse lists to find a list that actually is meaningful and beneficial to you. So here's one called Python. That's going to be great for me as a data scientist. I'm going to go ahead and subscribe. I can even see a timeline to see if it's actually going to have content that I like. Don't find one that you like? Want to create your own? We got you covered. You click on the list creator, and guess what? You can create a list. Awesome. What else do I have to do? Oh, type a description? No problem. Got that. This one, I'm going to make it private just so I don't ping people and bug them. Let's add some people to this. How about Jack? That's cool. Sam Altman? Why not? Paul Graham? Sure. Austin? Yep, let's do it. Anyone else? How about Neil? Sounds good. Let's finish it up, generate this list, and get on our way. It takes a couple moments as it processes the list, because it's literally crawling almost 16,000 people on Twitter. And what it's doing is it's finding the different connections and then building a recommendation for you that's going to be customized so you can create an effortless list in just a few moments. So I'm just going to select all these people. They all look pretty much similar. I'll go ahead and click continue. And now, guess what? I have a list that's been created just for me. And if I go to Twitter, I can actually see it right on my own screen. So I'm not stuck browsing just in our app. I can browse on my mobile app on Twitter. I can browse on my app. I keep building lists to my heart's content. We're Larkist. We're going to empower users to make Twitter incredible again. Thank you.